Hello everyone, so this is the unboxing video of the HolyHigh smartwatch that I just bought today. So overall, as you see, this is what comes in the box, and then there are some of the features. I haven't explored much. I've put it on a charging since first time I should charge it completely, and then I also downloaded the app which was suggested in the book that came along. So I'll use it and I'll see in few weeks how it is, and then I'll again maybe post an update on the video. Thank you. Enjoy the unboxing.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back.